everyone, what if one single design could turn into a full product line with professional listing images in just minutes? Today I'm going to show you the easiest AI product image workflow for pod sellers. Most print-on-demand sellers struggle with product images. You either spend hours learning Photoshop, pay for expensive mock-up files, or end up with boring white background listing images. And in competitive marketplaces like Etsy, weak visuals mean fewer clicks, and fewer clicks means fewer sales. So instead of working harder, let's build a smarter workflow. Step 1 is about maximizing your design. Instead of using your artwork once, we can extract a seamless repeating pattern using AI. With just one upload, your design becomes a tileable pattern that can be applied across different product types. Think about it, that same artwork can now be used for fabric, phone cases, wrapping paper, notebooks, stickers, or home decor. One design do not mean one product anymore. It means a scalable product collection. Step 2 is presentation, and presentation drives conversions. Instead of downloading PSD files or paying for mockup bundles, you can generate realistic product mockups instantly. Upload your pattern or design, choose a product type, like a t-shirt, poster, or mug, and let AI generate a clean, professional product image. Notice the difference between a flat design file and a realistic mockup. Professional visuals increase perceived value, and higher perceived value increases buyer confidence. When customers trust what they see, they're more likely to click and more likely to purchase. Now here's where your listing starts to feel like a real brand. Instead of sticking with a basic studio background, you can remove it and replace it with an AI-generated lifestyle scene. Imagine your product displayed in a cozy living room, a minimalist studio, or even a beach sunset environment. These kinds of lifestyle images perform significantly better in ads, on social media, and even in Etsy thumbnails. You're no longer just selling a product. You're selling a mood, a lifestyle, and a brand identity. So the complete workflow looks like this. Extract the pattern to multiply your product opportunities. Generate professional mockups to improve presentation. Upgrade the background to create brand-level visuals, more products, better images, less time. If you're serious about scaling your print-on-demand business, building a fast and efficient image workflow like this can completely change your listing process. Try it out and see how much time you can save. This is all for today. See you next time.